In this video, we're going to go through some custom changes that you can make to your Shopify store. If you want to change a product title, you want to change the colors to your store, you want to make your store more custom, more unique, we're going to go through some of those changes. The first thing that we're going to do is make some changes to one of our products. So come to the admin panel of your Shopify store. What you want to do is, now that you're on the admin panel, go to products. So click on products like this. Here's all your products. Let's say you want to change the title of one of your products. So click on the actual product here. It's going to take you to this page. And let's say you want to put something like wood, like that. So we change the title. Let's click save like this. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the actual website to see if these changes were made. So come to your website. Here we're on the products page. So you can just, here I just clicked on shop, took me to all the products. And you notice how woodcut is now added to the title. So let's come back to our page here. Now let's say we want to change the order of the images. You see how this picture of the watch comes first, but when you hover over it, it changes to that picture. But what if we want a different order of how the pictures appear? So all we do is we come back to the media page, the media section. So you notice here, this image is bigger than these two. In your media section, whichever image is the biggest is the one that's going to show first on Shopify. So if you want to change the order of whatever picture shows first, all you do is you come to the media section and you just change the order like this. So you click on it and you drag it. You notice we have this alert media order saved. You have to give it some time, give it like a couple seconds for the website to recognize the changes. Because if you notice here right now, this image is still first. But if we reload the page, let's see. Okay, you see now it made those changes. You hover, now made those changes. So that's one change that you can do in your Shopify store with regards to the products. So let's come in here. Now, maybe we want to make some changes to the actual website. We want to make it more unique to our brand. We want to make it more nice. So come here like this, click on online store. Whatever store is live is the one that's going to say here current theme. So that's most likely the one that you want to make those edits and those changes to. So from here, click on customize. Like this, customize. And this, it redirects you to the Shopify theme editor. So there's a lot of changes that you can make on this actual theme editor. Let's say for one thing, we want to change this announcement up here. We actually, let's see, we actually maybe want to change the title to, instead of free shipping, we want to say, let's say, we want to say sites wide sale only today, like this. So if you click save, like that, and let's come back to our website, like this. You see, it still says free shipping, but if you reload the page, there, I made those changes. Now maybe we want to change the background color. Now all Shopify stores have some of these custom features like changing the background colors. We have made these custom features to our themes. So if you're interested in learning more, you can check out our themes or send us an email. But we've built that custom feature in where you can come here, you can click on background, and so like if you want to make change this brown color like this, it changed like that. And then you come in here, you click on text color, maybe you want to make it a nice white color. See, like this, boom. So now you click save like that. And then you come here, see how it was gray before, but you reload, now it's brown. So that's another custom feature that you can make to your store, make it nice, make it more unique. So let's come back to our editor. Let's see, what other changes can we make to this store? Maybe the positioning of our header or navigation menus, we want to change it how it's looking. So right now we have the logo in the center. Let's say you want to have it in the left like this. Then it changes how it looks. If you want to change it to middle left, and now change how it looks again. So you can see here, click save like this. Let's come back to our store, reload the page, and then made those changes. So those are other custom features that you can change that you can make. Let's see, what else can we do? Maybe Let's see, subscribe to our emails. Maybe we want to change this button color here. So what you want to do is you want to come back to the actual block. I believe it's image with text. And there, again, another custom feature that we've added for you. You can edit the button color. So all you do is you come here like this. Let's say you want to make it brown now. Change like that. And then I accidentally click something and then text color like this. Make it brown and save that. So come to our website here. If we go back to the home page, then there are those changes. There are the changes that we made. So there's a lot of custom features that you can do on Shopify. You can change, let's see if we can do one more custom feature here. Okay, so you see how when you hover over these, this is another custom feature that we built, that when you hover, you see the title of your product. Maybe DaVinci, we want to change that to something else. So we'll come back here to our editor. And I believe is it image collage? It is image collage. So we have here the title here. But instead of DaVinci, we want to say paintbrushes. So let's come in here like this and say, or actually, you know what? Let's leave DaVinci but add paint. And then let's change it. Let's just say paintbrushes. Keep it simple. Let's keep these stores simple and easy as possible for people to understand. So we'll click save like that. We'll come here to our website. We'll reload the page. It should take us back to that section. Boom. Hover over it, paintbrushes. So these are there's a lot of custom features and cool things that you can do in Shopify to make your store more unique, more catered to your brand. And they have a lot of cool things that you can do here. And also they have some things on their website that if you are looking for more changes, you can just look it up on Google to see other changes that you can make. But hopefully this video was helpful on just some basic changes that you can make, some basic customizations that you can make to your Shopify store. If you're looking for a custom theme for your store, you want to get up and running, you're a new person on Shopify, you need a theme with some of these custom features that we showed here just to get you up and running, to get you quickly started on your store. You can come to our Etsy page here. And so far we have 5 custom themes that we've custom coded for you to go and get started, get up and running, building a Shopify store. We're always making new and better themes, but these are the 5 that we have right now. You can come to our Etsy store and the link will be in the description if you're interested in purchasing a theme. And if you already have a theme, but you want to make some changes that maybe we didn't go over in this video, or you didn't understand these changes, you can come to our website, zqdo.info. You come to our website, zqdo.info, and you click on About, and here you can see some of our services, some of our previous work here, and our email to get in contact. Maybe you have a custom feature you have in mind that you want to see, can it be built, or you just want to bounce an idea off, just send us an email, I'll reply. And I hope this video was able to help you at least understand some of the custom features that you can create and the customization that you can make on your Shopify store.